This video, we are at number 163, and this is entitled Christmas Cheer, and this is my first layout featuring the December Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. Specifically, I'm working with the mini kit from Pebbles called Cozy and Bright. So as you can see, I'm creating a double page layout. So I'm starting off by using both of the green cardstock that came with the mini kit, and now I'm just kind of additioning the pattern papers that I would like to fill up the rest of the pages. I did layer or organize my photos already how I wanted it on the layout. And I am using 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm using 13 3x4 photos here. And I decided to go with that really beautiful floral paper. It has some florals, but it also has some candy cane, which is, of course, very themed for the holiday season. And so now I'm looking into cutting a little bit more, kind of a more subtle pattern paper. So I'm going to go with one of these paper that have the kind of subtle red and snowflake design, and that's where my title is going to be. Now I need a place for my journaling, and so I'm going to tuck that in between the photos that I have on the right side of my page. And I just cut that out just a little bit smaller than a 3x4 because I want to back that up with some pattern paper. And I just typed that up on my computer with Microsoft Word. So now I think I'm going to use this smaller print floral paper and cut that up a 3x4, and then I'm going to put the journaling on top of that. So these photos, as you can see, is very self-explanatory. These are photos of our, I think this one was 2016 or maybe 2017, gingerbread house making. Is that what it's called? But every year we make our gingerbread house, and so this year we decided to go with some, I found this box that had kind of like a little village type kit. So basically you get 4 mini houses instead of the one full one, and I thought that was kind of cute because then everybody can have their own house to decorate. There were only 4 in the kit, which is fine by me, even though there's 5 in my family, because I was helping our littlest one to make his own. So I didn't feel like I was left out because I didn't have my own house, and that's totally fine with me. And now I've moved on, and I'm sorry if there's a glare on my camera. I didn't realize that until now. So one of the things that I did with a lot of or almost all of the layouts for this particular kit was to use some of the cardstock, because some of the mini kits I've just been making single pages, and so I have this extra cardstock because each mini kit comes with 2. And so I decided that one of the beige ones, I think the mini kit that had the Simple Stories one had a kind of creamy, it's not totally white, but it's not really beige, but it's kind of in between white, and I used that to cut up a lot of parts of my title. Since all of the mini kits are Christmas or holiday related, I figured that I would tackle a lot of my Christmas scrapbooking done. And so with my silhouette, I cut and typed a bunch of the word Christmas, I think a few holidays and Santa, some of those words. And then because they were white and I wasn't sure if they were going to look good with whatever pattern paper that I have, I decided to get a black cardstock from my stash and then cut those same letters from my silhouette, and then we'll use that as a kind of a shadow. And so that's what I did with the title here. As you can see, I put together Christmas and cheer. And so I layered the black and the white Christmas together, and then I used some corrugated green thickers from my stash to spell out the cheer. And now I'm playing with the stickers that came with this particular mini kit. I love the stickers because it's there's some glitter to it, there's a little bit of dimension. It's not layered, but there's still some texture to it, which is really pretty. Now because my pattern paper is pretty busy, some of these elements will be popped up with some pop dots so that they will stand out a little bit more. And basically that's my layout. It's pretty fast because it is double page, and then I have a ton of photos already, so a lot of the real estate of my page is already filled up. But then at the same time, I'm using a kit that is all coordinated, so I don't have to worry about mixing them up, because I know that they're all going to blend together. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you're ever interested in what the ScrapRoom Kit Club is all about, make sure that you check out the link in the description below as well. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.